Hi, today we're going to talk about AI transformation partners, and by the end of this video you will have a clear definition of what an AI transformation partner is and why businesses turn to them. You'll get insight into the biggest challenges companies face when adopting AI and how an AITP can help with that. A breakdown of the core services of an AITP, real examples of typical deliverables, and the tangible outcomes businesses can expect while working with an AITP. So its main role is to provide companies through the AI adoption. It's a partner who maps the business, identifies high leverage AI opportunities, builds solutions, upskills teams, and stays in to optimize. That's a person who will talk to different departments of a business to understand usual processes. They will map it out and then they will realize where are the bottlenecks, what can be systematized, what are the repetitive tasks, and it will offer custom-made AI solutions to fix problems, to improve efficiency, to save time and money, and to make everything run much smoother. In order to do that, an AITP needs to understand foundations of business in general to be competent to understand the problem that they're facing. He needs to know about offering and position, marketing, sales, client acquisition, customer support, service delivery, how to hire, how to manage people, manufacturing. When you're working with an AITP, it's not just about his AI knowledge, it is about having that knowledge as a tool and then implementing it to solve your problems in the business. So we're focusing on the bigger picture and we're using AI just as a tool and we're developing custom workflows. Why businesses turn to an AITP? Because the AI information online is overwhelming. Everyone claims that they're expert in AI and they don't know where to start. They just need someone to handhold them through the journey and to educate them on the way. They can't find a template that's custom built for their problems and current situation, so downloading a template for NAN won't solve their problems because they don't know how to adjust it and they don't know how to implement it for their current problems and situation. They have limited knowledge and skills in AI development. They're uncertain about privacy and data handling, which an AITP will help with, and they're not sure if it's worth it to invest money into AI because they don't understand the return on investment. Most AI developers will just talk about benefits and features, but businesses want to see real outcomes. How much money are you going to save me? How much time are you going to save me? What's going to improve in my business? We want monetary stuff, and that's what a good AITP will do. It will do education, strategy, implementation, and ongoing optimization and support for businesses, because most of the time it's not just about setting up a system and leaving it. You need to constantly optimize it, update it with new information, make sure there are no mistakes, and fine-tuning the outputs. Typical deliveries for discovery phase are interview summaries, process maps, risk and return on investment analysis. For implementation, it's working automations and agents, RAG Knowledge Hub, dashboards, SOPs, data collection and organization. For enablement, it's leadership workshop, team trainings, prompt libraries. For partnership, it's cost performance reports, optimization, and building new systems. And some example outcomes of partnering with an AITP. For customer support, it can be 70 to 80% auto resolution of inquiries, seamless human escalation for complex cases, 24/7 responsiveness, and significantly lower cost per ticket. For sales and marketing, it can mean faster proposal generation, smarter lead nurturing and follow-ups, AI-assisted personalization, and higher conversion rates. For operations, it's streamlined workflows with reduced manual handoffs, fewer errors, and fully auditable processes for compliance. For leadership and strategy, it's a clear AI adoption roadmap, continuous team upskilling, predictable iteration cycles, and better decision-making through real-time insights. For finance and resource allocation, it's lower overhead costs by automating repetitive work, optimize staffing needs, and measurable ROI from each AI initiative. And for innovation capacity, it's freed up human bandwidth for creative, high-value projects rather than routine admin tasks. I hope this video gave you some more insights on what an AITP is and how it can deliver value to your businesses. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them below this video. If you want to work with a one-on-one, schedule the discovery call and I'll be glad to help. Thanks so much for watching and I wish you a great day.